rocks, apples, polar bears, fish, cats, leaves.
What are those?
Leaves.
Oh, leaves.
Bugs. Dogs.
What color dogs do you see?
That's Kipper.
Is that like your dog, Kipper?
That's Kipper. I showed Kipper his picture. Look at me, Kipper. Kipper sees Kipper.
That's funny. Which one's Kipper?
This one.
Okay. What else is in your book?
Okay, let me see. Butterflies. Oh, this butterfly is like Kipper too.
Why is it like Kipper?
Because it has white and brown. Look at your butterfly, Kipper. Wait there. Girl sees this butterfly.
Silly.
Okay. Duckies and bees and frogs.
How many ducks?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you say there are 10 duckies?
10 duckies. And 3 bugs.
3 bugs. What kind of bugs?
Bumblebees. 1, 2, 3, 6. 3 frogs.
There's 3 frogs. What's the next page?
Okay. Robots, numbers, and bicycles.
Do you like those toys?
Mm-hmm.
You say, I like those toys.
I like these toys. Bugs,
What's that?
pumpkins, shoes, shells, fish, cups, flowers, pencils, ducks, cars, bugs. Eat and take a picture of this.
Is that a good book?
Take a picture of this part.
I got it.
Let me see it.
Are you done talking?
You
You say, that's all, I'm all done.
That's all. I'm all done. Let me see it.